Wow, it is windy today. Got the barbed wire fence we have to go through. Our gate. Sure. Watch out, Luna. Alright. Hey, Moo-moo, you ready? Awesome views here. Look at that storm though. It's coming. We just got through with our quick short ride. We do plan on going again later today. It is a bit cloudy, but I do have some stuff that I want to get done to my bike first. So let's do it. A couple things to my bike before taking it for another ride. I added the new basket. This is awesome. It looks better on there. It has the zip top. The zip top actually folds up and goes into this pocket so it doesn't get in the way. It's canvas, so that's more comfortable and Moo-moo won't get her nails caught. I've got her little blanket in here just to make it a little softer because the ride can get bumpy. Has some mesh up front for wind and a small pocket right there. Has a pocket here and also on the other side. Like I said, there's a strap because this is the unlock button. You just click it backwards and it'll unlock it, and you can pull this out, and I can actually use this as a pet carrier so I can carry Moo-moo in with me if I need to. And yeah, I really like it. Like I said, I had to move this over because this didn't need to be in the center, but the basket does, and it worked. I had to zip tie this because it was a little loose because it's used to being, because the bar's bigger in the middle, so it's used to being on the bigger bar. Here I've done two things. I bought a new seat post because the other post had broken, so the seat is back on there. And I also put a rear facing GoPro mount. I'm going to see how this works out. I'm not quite sure how it's going to work out, but hopefully it gives you some good views. And that's basically all I've done. Oh yeah, another thing I have done is I bought the dry lube and I soaked that sucker down. I did 2 coats really thick and it seems to be working. I am gonna buy a better chain that's rust proof hopefully, because this one's probably just a cheap chain, so I'm gonna bring it to a bike shop and actually have them change that out for me. So yeah, my bike is ready to go. It's kind of cloudy and overcast and it's really windy, so hopefully it clears up a little bit before we go on our bike ride. He's charging his bike and I'm actually going to charge my bike, and then we're going to head on. While I'm waiting for it to clear up, there is an LED strip here that's being blocked by these. I know, people have said it before, oh, that can is blocking your lights. Well, I'm moving the LED strip up here which is the turn signal and everything. And I've actually been followed by a cop, and he did not pull me over, and these were there. So, but just for me and safety reasons, I just want to put the LED strips up here because they are really bright. So they are old and falling apart, so I'm going to buy a new set and rewire the new set in. I'm just going to use the existing wire, and I'm going to put them up high up here, or I might actually run them along the side here. These ones don't look as bad as the other ones. At least the rubber is still intact. But yeah, they're dirty and dingy. I'm definitely going to replace it. You know what they say, reuse if you can. I've always wanted a trash bin here, so this works out perfect. And I'm going to secure it better. And it has holes in it, so if there's anything wet and drips, then it can just drip down. Scotty and Terry both have followed me at night, and they say they can see the lights just fine. But one thing I do want to mention is that this is not factory. This is an aftermarket piece, because the owners did tell me that these lights aren't too bright, and that's why they installed these, because the LEDs are much brighter. That's why I want to take these, because the cans are blocking them. So I want to move them up here where you can actually see the LED. Plus, like I said, these are hooked to the brake and also the turn signal. So that'll be a lot better. I think so anyways. I am ready for some food. Ooh, oh, what's over there?
You gonna sit down, honey?
Yeah, I don't want to be in.
What, is your camera going somewhere? One thing about flying it out here, I'd definitely be able to find it because...
The sauce looks amazing.
Thank you. It's red wine sauce.
Yummy. Ooh, red wine sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Oh, you guys both like that kind, huh?
Cheese.
What, third?
Mm.
Yeah, real cheese.
No, I like Parmesan too. Parmesan
do
is
too,
real
but-
cheese. Stop saying real cheese.
That stuff there they add with, was it sawdust, hon?
Oh
So
no,
don't
get it
tear it
away.
down.
Parmesan cheese, and then there's this. Not that I'm against it, I do like it.
This and that.
This isn't much realer on the real scale.
Realer? Is that even a
It's
word?
not sawdust cut, it's
Illest,
a
yeah.
wax.
It's-
So
this
it
is the
doesn't
illest.
stick together, all of it. Well, I don't know so much about this,
This
though.
looks good.
And this is real, it's just powdered.
Of
All organic.
course, when he got back.
Except for the cheese. That is not organic.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely
He
not,
wasn't that
but
much
it
of
was
an
really
ass,
good. Thank
But
you.
he was like,
You're welcome.
Hey, Crazy Luna. We're gonna go ahead and go for a ride. The sun's gonna be going down. It's so beautiful out here. It's just amazing. Countryside is definitely beautiful. Seth is doing some drone shots before we get going. Just took the fence down. I had to put it back up once he gets here. It's just a this cheap old latch, but it works. And barbed wire. We are going to be going down that path right there. Waiting for Seth to put up his drone. He's done with his shots. Look at this. Isn't this just amazing? This road seems to go on forever. I wonder how far it goes.
Miles.
Yeah. There's a lot of land out there.
Till we hit the highway.
Wow, it's beautiful though. Alright, Moo-moo, you ready? Let's keep going. There are cows way out there. I don't know if you can see them or not. There's cows. I had to stop and shoot the cows. Right, Moo-moo? Or film. Sorry, I didn't say shoot. So the sun is going down. We're just going to go a little farther and then probably turn around because we don't want to be caught out here in the dark.
Are you getting scared?
No, I just didn't bring a flashlight.
Your lens is smudged.
Look, there's just a big black cow in the middle of the field. That's pretty neat. Is that what you were staring at? She saw it. She's like, what is it? It's just so big and out there and black. That sunset is so beautiful. So we decided to go ahead and head back towards camp. And so we're just gonna book it back. Well, you were going fast. She was sprinting it. She was going faster than me, and I have it set on 8. I think something's wrong with Seth's bike. Something sounds weird. Oh, it's the battery pack. It's your battery pack, right?
It slipped down.
Oh no. It's from all the bumps and stuff.
Yeah. Well, I haven't readjusted it in like 6 months.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I have to redo it.
Alright, Scotty's flying his drone. Look, I see it and I hear it. I bet he's capturing the sunset.
Yep.
You tired, Luna? You did a great job. She is awesome. Yep. Go, Moo-moo. Good girl. So how are you feeling now?
It's awesome.
Oh,
I'm
look
not
at
nervous
that
too much.
view.
Yeah, isn't that awesome?
That's
I love
beautiful.
it. Yeah.
All right, everybody, it's been a wonderful day, and look at that awesome view. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. Mwah.